In a previous video, we saw how we can design a PCB on any device using PCB Droid software. Now in the second part of the DIY printed circuit board series, we will see how we can transform a copper board into a circuit we designed. The first thing we have to do is print out the design. I already mentioned the recommended settings in the export process in the previous video. To print it out, use a laserjet printer only with some thin photoglossy paper. There are many other ways like photoglossy with inkjet etc, but I would not recommend those process. This is how the printed design looks like. We will cut out the design of the board with some blank paper leaving space. We can now take a rough marking of the board size and start the cutting process. We can use a paper knife, but be careful. After you have cut through most of the board, you can snap it off like this. We can also use a table saw for cutting the board. We will clean the board with some acetone to make sure no residue or ink is left on it before we go on to the transfer process. Now we will position the board with the paper in the following way. Make sure that the design on the paper doesn't fall out of the board. We will use a tape to secure the paper against the board. Now on to the transfer part. Use a paper towel as a soft bed, then heat the paper attached board for about 10 to 15 seconds to allow the paper to stick to the board. Technically, the ink sticks to the board and the paper sticks with it. Now cover it with another paper towel and iron the board for about 10 to 15 minutes, applying intense and uniform pressure. After 10 to 15 minutes, let the board cool down a little bit, then open it up. Now, depending on the amount of heat, pressure, etc., there will be some flaws. We can correct them by simply filling them out using a black CD or DVD marker. In the third part, we will be taking a look on how we will etch this board. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss that video.